Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Farif from Meghalaya, meeting number 302008. Okay, today I will demonstrate my final assignment for application programming, which is we need to build the full stack mobile app development. So the topic I choose for the project is a student activity app, which is this app. The admin can upload all the activity of about the university activity, and student can simply join through the apps. Okay, now I will demonstrate first the app, and I will reload first the application. Okay, you can see we have a splash screen. After the splash screen, it will navigate into the login page. Let's say you don't have any account, then you can sign up first. Okay, you can put your full name, your email, and we'll make sure your email is not being a duplicate, because if you duplicate, you cannot register account. And you can choose role. Now I want to be a student, then I choose student. Then now we click the register. We pop up the dialog box of confirmation registration. Are you sure you want to register? Then you click confirm. And also pop up the another dialog box, which is account created, registration successful. Then you can navigate to login. You back to login first. Then now we see at our database. Then we can see here number 6. Irfan is already you will navigate into the student dashboard. So for student dashboard, as we can see, we have the upcoming activity, the main registration, pending activity, and also the completed activity. Okay, let's say you want to go to list, view the list of activity. Here you can see all the list activity has been uploaded by the admin. Let's say you want to join any of the activity, you can just click join, and will pop up the join activity dialog box, and you can just click join. And you can see the snack bar successfully joined activity, and also you can see the button it turned to green. It means you cannot press it already, because if I want it to prevent the duplicate, so you cannot duplicate join. So once you click, you already join. Let's say you want to join multiple, then you can join, and also the button will change to the green. And let's say you want to see the detail of the gotong royong Bel Rakyat, you can see here the title, the description, and also the detail of about the activity. And let's say you want to see what registration you have made, you can go to the drawer, you can go to the main registration. Here you can see the registration you have made. Let's say you don't want to go to Pembersihan Haiwan, then you can only cancel it. We pop up the cancel registration dialog box, and you can cancel registration, and the registration cancel successfully. Then we can go to the activity box. Yeah, the kandang pembersihan kandang haiwan button turn to white. Okay, let's say you want to update your profile, then you can go to my profile, then you can click, you want to update your picture, then you can open camera. Okay, you want to take this picture, you will crop first, and you want to change your name, Irfan Faris, and save profile. Then you will can see here, welcome Irfan Faris. Also you can see here your picture, and also you can see here just now you made the registration. The my registration is already update to 1. Okay, now I will demo to you the admin dashboard. Now we log into for the admin. So this for the admin dashboard, the UI similar to the student. You can see the total of activity, total of student have, total the upcoming activity, and total registration. And also we have also we can see the recent activity we coming. Okay, first we want to go to the activity management. Okay, here we can see the activity management. All the activity management they upload by the admin. So admin can update all about the activity. Let's see, admin want to change to whole participant 200. So admin just click update. Then we pop up the confirmation update. They confirm. As we can see the activity update. So here the capacity will change to the 200. So we want to see here the max participant is 200. And also let's say the admin want to delete the activity already passed, or the activity has been cancelled. Let's say admin want to delete, just click delete, the confirm delete, and admin click confirm. The activity has been deleted. Okay, here we can see the activity. Want to see whether the activity reflect to the database or not. We refresh. So we have only 4, and we can see here also 4. Okay, let's say admin want to add the new activity. So admin can choose whether want to get camera or gallery. Now I choose the camera. So after this, we'll pop out the image proper and activity title. So say admin want to save without field, it cannot. We have the validation here. Put your title. So the title is cleaning UUM. So the activity is cleaning. So venue is UUM. Activity date, you will pop up the date picker. You can choose it. And also for the time, we have a time picker, so you can what time you want the activity start. So activity time. So organizer UUM, organizer phone number. Is it provide merit or not? Yes. It's a minimum participant. Let's say 2,000. And we can see activity. So activity submitted successfully. So now we want to see at the database is reflect or not. If we refresh first, then we can see here the new data has been inserted into the database. So next we go for the student management registration. Okay, we go for the student management registration. Okay, here we can see how many students have been joined to the activity. Here we can see the pembersihan kandang, Irfan, just one student, one join, and for the kotoran bilik, 2 join. So let's say you want to you want to cancel the participant, you can just admin can just click the red button, and you want to show, then pop up the cancel registration, then cancel registration, and here we can see only two activity here. And also we can see at the registration, it reflect only a year status will be rejected. It's not registered. It will change to the rejected. Okay, next we go for the my profile. My profile, you want to update the profile, you want to, let's say, one camera. And save and image cropper and save profile. And here we can see the image profile and has been updated. Okay, I think that's all for me about the student activity apps. Thank you.